Want to make your business HVAC system winter ready? Seed & Heat & Air's updated service provides you with affordable maintenance and repairs for your heating and cooling system. It is staffed with highly trained and experienced technicians who can do any job efficiently and effectively. The HVAC specialist can handle basic maintenance, including inspection, changing of filters, and cleaning ducts. The contractor can also repair or replace damaged parts to ensure that your unit will function smoothly throughout the winter season. Learn more by visiting seedandheatandair.com.